In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix landing page in just 5 minutes. Landing pages are a crucial element for capturing your audience's attention, and with Wix, you can set up a professional-looking landing page quickly and easily. To get started, you'll first need to log in to your Wix account. If you don't have one already, creating an account is straightforward, and it only takes a moment to set up. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to access your Wix dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for all site-related activities and where you can manage your site's settings, analytics, and more. Next, we need to dive into the design aspects, so we're going to head over to the left side of your editor screen. Here, you will find many options, but for now, let's focus on the Pages and Menu section. Click on it, and this will open up a variety of options that allow you to organize and manage the pages on your site. For our new landing page, you'll have a couple of choices. If you prefer a more hands-on approach to design, you can opt to start with an entirely empty page, allowing you the creative freedom to build every element from scratch. Alternatively, Wix offers a selection of pre-designed page templates, which can be a real time saver and are particularly helpful if you're looking for a specific layout that you want to adapt. Once you've made your decision on whether to start from scratch or use a template, it'll be time to name your new page. In the Pages panel, you'll see an option to enter the desired name for your new page. Naming your page is simple, but it's also important to choose something that's clear and reflective of the page's purpose, so your visitors can easily find what they're looking for. After naming your page, take a moment to customize its settings. You might want to adjust visibility settings, optimize for SEO, or configure any specific design preferences you have in mind to ensure your page stands out. Once you're satisfied with your settings and everything looks just right, click Done to finalize your new page and add it to your website. And there you have it. You've just created a landing page on Wix. This page can be used to showcase a new product, promote an offer, or gather leads, whatever your business needs. Remember, the effectiveness of a landing page lies in its design and the clarity of its message, so take some time to refine both aspects. With practice and creativity,